The even feed foot, sometimes called a walking foot, is used for sewing several layers of fabric, especially when quilting. The even feed foot is also great for matching plaids or stripes and sewing fabrics with nap or pile to keep them from shifting. The even feed foot has its own set of feed dogs that work in conjunction with the machine's feeding system to facilitate the movement of the fabrics while stitching. The upper feeding mechanism pulls the top fabric at the same rate that the machine's feed dogs are pulling the bottom fabric. To attach the even feed foot, first remove the presser foot and presser foot holder. Place the even feed foot onto the presser foot holder, making sure its extension arm fits on the needle clamp. Replace the presser bar screw. Be sure the foot is correctly seated on the presser bar, then secure it in place. Before sewing the quilt layers, if desired, draw stitching guidelines onto the fabric using a fabric marking tool and ruler. Secure the top fabric, batting, and backing fabric together with pins or basting. Place all layers of fabric together under the presser foot. Lower the presser foot, then sew the layers together. To sew seams in napped fabrics, place the fabrics right sides together under the presser foot. Lower the presser foot, then sew the seam.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.